Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm so excited to bring you the Nubia Pad 3D, and this is world's first AI driving naked eye 3D pad product. And today I'm going to unbox it, and I'm going to talk on the specifications and the main technology to apply to this new tablet and new cool products. So here is the Nubia Pad 3D. So this is the box, and as we can see in the front of the box is a very attractive, very cool design. Here's Nubia Pad 3D model name. Here now in 3D. It's the product slogan, or maybe it's maybe take us now into the 3D century or 3D era. And here is the main products. Show us the product. Here is the screen, and here is the back side. It shows us about on the front screen to show us the camera, and the screen, and the back side to show the 3D light field camera zone. And here the speaker Nubia, and this is our side. Here it was powered by Qualcomm Apex Adaptive and Dolby Atmos. Here is the version we got. It's our black edition we got. So okay, next I'm going to unbox it and check what's inside this box. So exciting to show you it. Okay, here after we open it, whoa! After we open it, the pad is just in front of us. Here is the pad. It was protected by a screen protector. And before we check the pad, we will go to the accessories first. So here is another box. Let's open it and check what's inside. Okay, so here is the it's a SIM card ejector, SIM card slot, SIM card pen, and here Nubia Pad 3D quick guide, warranty information and safety information. Okay, so it's here, show us how to use it. And this actually is not for SIM card. I think it's for the micro SD. Okay, here's a basic introduction about this device: the front camera and front light sensor, volume button, power button, charge button, and charging dot. Okay, so this is all the stuff inside this box. And here is the cable. It's our Type-C to Type-C cable this time, that provide a big battery, 3270 big batteries. Yes, so this is a cable Type-C to Type-C. Yes, and about the charging speed, this time to provide up to 33 watt fast charging. Okay, so this is about the battery and cable. And here is another box. Let's take it out and let's check what is inside this. Oh, just a dry moisture absorbent. Okay, so this is the moisture absorbent. Sorry, so this is all stuff inside this. And what surprised me is I don't find the charger. Where's it? Okay, I think just so they don't provide the charger. So here, okay, let's go to today's main actor, the pad. So they don't provide a charger, and here is the pad. Let's peel off. Peel the screen protect. Okay, let's get it out from the screen plastic. Oh, screen protector. Whoa. Okay, so here. Oh, wow. Okay, so here the pad is here. Whoa, it's so big. And here the Nubia. Okay, now here is the Nubia Pad 3D, and now this is the very cool product. And okay, first let me remove this label, and okay, here. So this is the front and back side of the product, Nubia 3D pad. Here we find some words linked by layer. So I think this is the very important information to provide in here. This is a 3D light field. So it's a dual camera system with LED light. And here is the charging dot pin. Here is the dual speaker, and here the Type-C charger. Charging dot, yes. Okay, SD card slot. SD card slot here. This is a very cool product, and I really like the fittings. These have a matte mantle, and the standard polishing material, and the polishing back panel. It's very nice and very easy to left your fingerprint on it. And here they highlight the 3D light field, and it's a camera zone. It's a very special design as well. And this zone camera zone extended to the edge of the framework of the pad, and the 3D. You find it. And it's very easy to recognize here. And here, let's go to the front side. Here is the front camera and light sensor, and hit power button. I will power on. Okay, tanked on here. Nubia pad, Nubia by yourself. And let's turn it on and wake it up to check the performance about the front, the screen, and I will skip the steps. Okay, now I skip the steps, and now we entered the OS of Nubia Pad 3D, and here, okay, it's the home page of the Nubia Pad 3D, and besides the introduction of the back panel, the Unibird mental design, the standard polish fitting back panel, and also the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 speakers balanced design, and also the dual camera system was really impressive. And it's I think another impressed me is the front side. It's our same edge, front, the left and right, front, the chains, and the head, and the head. Yes, so this is very nice. This looks balanced. And also this time for this Nubia pad, they also have a very nice specification about the pad. You can check about the information about the pad. Yes, okay, now let's check the specification about this Nubia Pad 3D. And here you find the RAM is over 8GB RAM plus 3GB extended virtual RAM, and so this is about RAM. And CPU is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 octa-core Max-RAM 2.84 GHz, and the screen information 2560 by 1600, so it's almost at 2.5 8K display resolution is supported, and also this time it's have a 120 Hz refresh rate, and the big screen is a 12.4 inch LCD screen, so this is also a very nice screen. And also about the camera, I forgot to mention at the beginning, it's have a dual camera system. The 16 megapixel 3D camera is dual 16 megapixel. The 3D camera, and also the front one is have 8 megapixel front camera, and we can take a very simple pictures. Use this phone, and here layer camera. Okay, so the layer camera is can shoot 2D video and switch it to 3D, and here continuously, and we can find the real-time status here if we use this pad to shoot videos. Here, but first, let's take a very simple picture first. Okay, this is the simple samples and zoom performance. Okay, let's switch it to the front, a normal, and switch to front. Okay, so this is video, and here's the front. Suppose the zoom. Okay, so this is the camera, and next I'm going to switch it to the video. So here is the video, too much dips. Okay, let's shoot it from this angle. I'm going to show you how to. Okay, now here is the video, and too much dips. Okay, let's stop, check. Okay, now. Whoa! Unbelievable, amazing, really amazing. It's a 3D effect we got now. I'm not sure how it looks like in the video, but in the real world now, as I can find it's a real 3D again. Okay, now here is the 3D performance. Yes, it's so cool. And naked eye 3D, I will say it's amazing. Yeah, it's so cool. And this is the real. Okay, yes, real camera, and it can switch from the 2D to 3D real time, and also you can use the 3D pictures and the videos, 2D videos, switch to 3D as well, and the performance is amazing. It's much, I will say, it's very impressive and beyond my thought, to be frank. And this is also world's first 3D pad product that was driven by AI. So this is also can bring us a cool, and also it can support large angles to check the 3D, and it support 86 super wide angle view to see it, and also it can attract my eyes. So let's go to switch it to the front, and we okay, so it can attract my eyes. Whoa. So I think it will also have a 3D for the front camera as well. Oh, hello. Okay, let's continue. Yes, so it can, as I mentioned, so it can automatically track this sensor here, the front camera, and the sensor can attract your eyeballs, and so it can detect it, and also can attract the eyes with AI, and also it can wide angle see. It can see your eye your eyeball moves. So I will have continued the test. Okay. So yes, so this now I think it works now. The AI, you will track my eyeballs and my hair. So this is pretty cool. And okay, stop. And whoa. Okay. So so now it's already the AI, and I can see from different angles. Yes, I can find it really shows the 3D performance and 3D display, and it's really nice. Yes, and 2 videos. Check this one as well. So it can track mice. Whoa. So I think it will also have a 3D. But not so. I mean, when I move it, but I find one thing that can be improved is when I move it, it will not always have the 3D effect. It will have stop and then continue. So it will pause in some time, and so it will not continuously to show the 3D performance effect. So this is one thing I think they should prove. Okay, so this is test, very simple test, and okay, at last I will show you I think layer camera, layer play is the AI team. They provide the AI technology for this pad, and also they have a layer frame and layer 3D. Okay, so it's different kind of apps they provide, and mosaic 3D. So they provide a 3D ecosystem for us to use this, and also 3D for videos, 3D for music. So this is pretty nice. And to be frank, the first time I saw this product in MWC in Spain, it's really impressive, and the performance of the 3D effect is much better than what I saw in this time, the open for sale, and I got it and buy it, and it's also really impressive. So I'm happy that the normal customer can buy this product and can experience 3D performance. And though the price for this product is not so cheap, it's actually a bit expensive than I thought, but it's also okay if you're really into the 3D. And hope like this product and support the Nubia team. They long time no 3D, I mean 3D kind of 3D product in the market, so I really like it, and hope you like it too. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadget from here from Smartphone Fan. Thanks. Bye bye.